Hello everyone, my name is Kiran Shinde and today's date is 30th September 2022. Today I am discussing about the what is the many to relationship in Spring tool. It is related to database also. When we to use any classes and interfaces in our Spring tools, that time too it is to use it most useful in our Java programming language. It is a to entity class when we to adding the setter getter methods. That time to use to this annotation. This type is one type of the annotation, and it is the to JPA relationship between many to one, many to many relationship between database also. First of all, it is meant to mapping represent to single valued association of the collection of entities, and it is associated with the similar to that the entity. It is a one type of the annotation. To it is used to fetching the which type of the class in our class. It is a use of the entity. the, this types this We use the more than such number of annotation used in Spring tool. uh, it is the most important to annotation to find out the fetching the classes in our Springs. And it is for example, suppose a relation RDBMS. We use the database. Which type of the database we use in minute one, which RDBS database we use. It is means that a relational database management system, and it is a more than a relational database management. It is any more than one entity of the similar to rows of entity, another entity also. This is the entity. And next, suppose we take uh, one example like suppose students and libraries, students and batch type. This type of the two relations between the two, find out in the which annotation we use the entity annotation, and minute to one annotation we use. Suppose we have to giving the data types of the batch class. We giving the annotation of the like minute to one annotation. This there are so many annotations like minute to one to many. That type of the that type of the annotation are also we use the in Spring tool also. This is all about an relation between the database in minute to one. Thank you.